As India celebrates Kargil Vijay Divas on Monday, Gopi Chand Pandey, father of late Kargil war hero, Captain Manoj Pandey said that the Kargil war was one of the toughest wars in the world, where the enemy had an advantage of the altitude, but Indian Army fought hard and reclaimed our peaks. Speaking to ANI, Pandey said he is proud of his son and as he lived up to his responsibilities as an army man. I'm proud that my son gave his life for his motherland and became an inspiration for many. He made the entire nation proud. He lived up to his responsibilities as an army man. Happy to share the UP Sainik School has been renamed after him, he added. Recalling the 1999 Kargil War, Pandey said the situation was very bad as the terrorists had made bunkers at the peaks of our mountains. They were attacking our army from the top, but our soldiers had put in all their efforts and reclaimed our mountains and land. As many as 527 army men died in the quest, he said. The martyrs further added that the Indian Army is capable of dealing with all the threats to the country and all Indians are proud of it. It is because of our army that we sleep peacefully at night, he added.
मनोज वीर थे, बहादुर थे और उन्होंने अपने सैनिक काल में जो उनका कर्तव्य था उसका बखूबी ईमानदारी, मेहनत, परिश्रम और अपने आत्मबल के साथ में उन्होंने पूरे अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन किया। इसलिए जो भी देखता है उनकी बहादुरी पर गर्व करता है। माहौल उस समय बहुत ख़राब था। दुर्दांत आतंकवादी 18,000 फुट की ऊंचाई पर हमारी पहाड़ियों पर, हमारे बंकरों पर कब्जा जमाए हुए बैठे थे। उनको हटा पाना बहुत कठिन था, क्योंकि जब हमारी सेनाएं, हमारे जवान उन चोटियों के नज़दीक पहुंचते थे तो ऊपर से बैठे हुए वो आतंकवादी हमारे जवानों को गोली बरसाते थे और वो शहीद हो जाते थे। आज मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि 527 जवान और अधिकारी इस कारगिल युद्ध में शहीद हुए हैं। ऐसा कभी युद्ध में नहीं हुआ है। ऐसा कहीं पर युद्ध नहीं लड़ा गया है कि दुश्मन ऊपर बैठा हो और हमारी सेना नीचे हो। उस सेना को ऊपर से मारने के लिए, भगाने के लिए हमारे सैनिकों ने जी जान से अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा दी, अपने प्राणों की परवाह नहीं की, लेकिन लास्ट में उन आतंकवादियों को मार भगाया और 26 जुलाई को विजय दिवस के रूप में आज पूरा देश मना रहा है।
Expressing pride and happiness, Pandey also informed that the Sainik School in Uttar Pradesh has been named after Captain Manoj Pandey. The Indian Armed Forces had defeated Pakistan on July 26, 1999. Since the day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to rekindle the pride and valor of the soldiers who took part in Operation Vijay. Captain Pandey was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra for his audacious courage and leadership during the Kargil War in 1999. An officer of the 1st Battalion, 11 Gorkha Rifles, he sacrificed his life during the attack on Gubar top of the Kulubar Hills in Batalik sector of Kargil. News Desk Kamuti, English.